Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So,
Ma'am,
as
today's session
today, what I told you that
Google Forms.
that 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I will give you what Google Forms test related to chemical effects, and then the remaining part we will do the revision of the other topics. Okay, not only chemical effects of electric.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay.
मैम आज क्या करेंगे?
We will do the revision of heat plus we will do the Google Forms last 10 या 15 minutes में मैं आपको Google Forms का वो दूंगी उसका related chemical effects of electric current. Okay. जब भी मेरी क्लास रहेगी जैसे सैटरडे और ट्यूसडे को रहता है, so last 15 minutes I will be giving you MCQ related to this chemical effects of electric current. Okay. In the
Yes, ma'am.
you have to do that. The remaining time we will do the.
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. The remaining time we will do the revision of the other topics. Okay. And I have told you already the art integration topic na. I've already.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So art integration.
Ma'am, can you repeat once?
Anybody in the class can tell what I told? Anybody in the class, can you tell what I told in the class to prepare? Huh? Anybody? Why so? Beverages. You have to compare the pH and the beverages. You have to compare the beverages, what beverages are used in Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. And you have to compare their pH values. Okay? Is it clear? Am I audible? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो आप जब beverages
Yes,
करो pH डाल के like some childs I got not of your class, other class, what he had done simply compared the pH and left. It's not like that. आपको introduction देना पड़ेगा कि beverage क्या होता है, कि आप कैसे कैसे होता है, क्या क्या types के होते हैं. Then you will go to Chhattisgarh and then you will what types of beverages are used in Chhattisgarh and their pH value. Then Gujarat. Okay, तो at least अगर आपको सिर्फ main part introduction का हो गया, introduction your part, then your Gujarat slide and one slide for what? One or two slides for Chhattisgarh and 2 slides for Gujarat. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
मैम आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का सब सब्जेक्ट से मिला है.
या
मैम आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का सब सब्जेक्ट से मिला है तो कोई भी
नहीं,
एक
अभी नहीं
सब्जेक्ट
करना है, अभी कुछ भी नहीं करना है. आपको सिर्फ किताब जमा करना है PT2 के बाद. 30 जनवरी लास्ट डेट है. अभी आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. इज इट क्लियर?
यस मैम.
अभी आपको कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. अभी आपको एग्जाम पे ही फोकस करना है. आप एग्जाम पे ही फोकस कीजिए एंड यू लर्न दैट. अगर आपको कोई टाइम बच रहा है, जैसे आप लोग स्पेयर टाइम निकाल रहे हो, तब उसमें आप सर्च करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो उसमें आप, क्योंकि आपको क्या बनाना है, पीपीटी तो बनाना है. इज इट क्लियर? It's not like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you get spare time, you go on researching and make it how much beautiful you can make. Okay. So let's move to the topic. We will discuss today what heat worksheet. Okay. So what it is there? First thing is that heat always travels from a dash body to a dash body. This answer will be given by Adi. Adi, are you there? No? Chetna?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give the answer of the first one?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Travels from dash of a body to a
Ma'am, screen share is stopped.
yes. You can see now, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, don't know.
Why forgotten already?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Divya, tell.
Ma'am, he travels from a hot body to a cold body.
हॉट बॉडी टू सही बात है, जहां ज्यादा हीट होगा वहां से ठंडी। जैसे आप व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग अ स्पून, आप जब चम्मच लेते हो गर्म चाय में डालते हो तो उस समय तो ठंडा रहता है, लेकिन जैसे ही वो गर्म चाय में वो चम्मच जाता है तो वो नीचे का पार्ट गर्म होगा तो धीरे धीरे ऊपर का पार्ट भी गर्म हो जाएगा। जैसे आप लोग इवन नॉट इन द गर्म चाय वाला केस है, आपका वो भी देख सकते हो लाइक इन कुकिंग टाइम में इफ यू आर यूजिंग एनी पर्टिकुलर स्पून टू what dissolve anything in the curry and all, what will happen, the bottom part is hot, slowly the upper part will also become hot, and slowly you can't hold it if you are continuously putting it that particular spoon in the.
Ma'am, may I tell second answer?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, thermometer.
No, the degree of
No,
hot.
temperature.
Ma'am,
Yes, temperature. Dash and dash are poor conductors of heat. Who will tell? Wait. Harshit, can you tell? Dash and dash are the poor of heat.
Ma'am, wood,
Huh? Yes, any three you can tell.
wood, plastic, and ma'am, cloth.
Okay.
Ma'am, cloth.
Yes. Next, the modes of transfer are the next Jinisha. Jinisha, are you there?
Can I tell?
Wait. Jia. Kalash. Yes, what's her name?
Ma'am, Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, tell. Kalash, I will give you the next chance, okay? Divya, tell.
Ma'am, conduction, convention, and radiation.
Yes, conduction, convention, and radiation. Kalash, are you there now? Kalash. Kalash. नो ऑप्शन नहीं है बेटा, वो आपको उसमें डिफरेंस बताना है। गिव 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग। आपको डिफरेंस बताना है, कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट एंड कन्वेंशन ऑफ हीट। दैट इज नॉट एमसीक्यू, सी द हेडिंग, गिव 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस। आर यू देयर और नॉट Kalash?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, conduction occur in molecules and convection occur in water.
Fluids. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, I only know one point.
हाँ बोलो, एक और बोलो।
Ma'am, I only know one point.
Okay, next, anyone else?
बोलना कलश, तेरा चालू है ना? नहीं चालू होगी ना बेटा, बोलना।
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Kalash?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, Kalash, you tell the difference.
Ma'am, which one, A1 or B1?
A1, A.
Conduction and convection.
Yes.
Ma'am, conductors
Are you able to answer, Kalash? Huh? Kalash? Are you there? Nitya? Nitya? आपको मैं अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ बेटा, आपका नहीं आ रहा है अनम्यूट ऑप्शन.
Ma'am, I was listening my name, but actually, sometime, ma'am, in a, ma'am, थोड़े, ma'am,
क्या हो गया? What happened? I'm just stopped sharing. What happened? Why you're not replying? Are you not able to unmute yourself?
no, ma'am,
I think
actually,
she has network issue.
yes, ma'am, actually,
What happened? Okay, no issues. If you're having network issue, आप एक बार restart कर लो उसको. Maybe the network issue will be solved. Okay. Next, Harriet. Harriet.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Yes,
answer the
ma'am.
next part?
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am.
One difference she told already that it is
No, ma'am, नहीं आता.
okay, correct. Divya, your answer is correct, beta. Good, good. Jia, also your answer I can see.
ma'am, which question?
Your answer. Wait, Jia, I am checking your answer. Wait. Good, very good. Good, I can see your answer, beta. Good. Arshwa, Jia, Divya. Okay.
हाँ.
Yes. So I asked you basically what is the difference between the conduction and convection. So conduction is the transfer of heat between the what here basically in the between the solids, whereas the convection is the mode of heat transfer through the fluids. Fluids, that means air or liquid, and conduction is happening through the direct contact, whereas in the convection there is a movement of liquid or a gas, then only there will be transfer of heat in case of convection. Is it clear? So this is what the two difference between conduction and convection. Okay. Next, conductors and insulators. Conductors and insulators. Jinisha,
Yes, ma'am.
answer the next question better. Conductors and insulators.
Yes, ma'am. Difference बताना.
Yes.
The object, ma'am, conductors, the object that can allow heat to flow through them are called conductors,
Yes.
and the object that do not allow the flow of heat
Heat
on
or
them,
electricity?
they are called insulators.
Heat or electricity? Okay, heat. आप heat बोलो चलो. Insulators. And what about any one more difference? One more difference.
May I think?
Yeah, okay. Take your time. Yes, I got, I think, the answers.
Ma'am, please tell Parsu to give the answer in private.
Yes, I got the answer in private only, and this is the good, very good. Yeah, your answer is correct. Basically, the conductors are having charged particles which allow the flow of heat and electricity. But insulators don't have any such charged particles. We do not allow the flow of heat and electricity. Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell the next answer?
Can I know the name, because I don't want the repeated one. I want,
Chetna.
yes, Chetna. Chetna, wait, then I will give the chance to one more person. Maulik. Maulik,
Yes, ma'am.
answer the next part. Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer.
Yes, ma'am. Clinical thermometer. The thermometer which can only use to measure the temperature of human body. Laboratory thermometer, which the thermometer which can use to measure
Yes.
the temperature of chemicals in the things in laboratory.
Any other?
मैम उसका एक मेजर होता है ना, शायद इसका 35 डिग्री एंड अबव वाला क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर का.
क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर का 35 to 42 है. Then while the laboratory thermometer,
मैम आई डोंट नो.
it's having a wider range. Okay, उससे ज्यादा होता है, wider range का होता है.
यस मैम, उससे ज्यादा होता है.
Okay, और laboratory thermometer, since we are using for practical purpose, it is giving more accurate results than your clinical thermometer. Okay, so you can write that also. First thing you
Yes,
can write,
ma'am.
it is clinical is used for measuring the temperature of human body, and laboratory thermometer is used for the practical experiment purpose which we are doing in the lab. Laboratory thermometer is having a wider range, whereas the this particular clinical thermometer is having a range of 35 to what you are.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Yes, I saw. Wait. I forgot to tell. Wait.
35 to 40.
35 to 40. Okay. Divya, your answer I checked. I got it, and it's good. Chetna, laboratory thermometer does not have any mercury. Simple laboratory thermometer will have.
It has now.
Yes, it has. क्योंकि आपका लैब में अभी I will show you when you will come back to the school. I will show you this much big thermometer we are having, and it is having a mercury also. We are using for lab only. Okay, so you can't tell that. You can tell the range also. Range ज्यादा रहता है clinical thermometer का, और वो accuracy ज्यादा रहता है. Okay, Jia, your answer I. Jia,
Ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am, I know. A clinical thermometers measure is 35 degree to 45 degree, and range of laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius.
That means the range is wider. That is only I told.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप इतना भी लिखोगे कि the range of this the laboratory thermometer is wider than clinical thermometer, then also it is correct, because nobody is going to ask you how much range it is. Okay. So this is the Gia. Your answer is correct, but a good, very detailed one. Good. Next, explain why. Explain. Then now you have to do the reasoning question. Do reasoning questions. Rishabh.
May I tell A1?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Let
I can tell any three of
Let me give the chance to others also. Isn't that? Vanshika? Not there.
You unmuted me.
Sorry, Yashita, I think so it is.
Ma'am, so can I say?
Yes, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is better to wear lighter shades in summer because, ma'am, it reflects heat.
Okay.
From the lighter color.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, because lighter color, lighter shades absorbs less heat than as compared
that also
to.
is correct. Okay.
और मैम फेड हो जाता है, डार्क कलर फेड हो जाता है.
Okay,
लाइट
correct.
कलर
डार्क कलर नहीं पूछना है हमको, यहाँ बताना है कि लाइट कलर क्यों पहनते हैं, क्योंकि लाइट कलर एब्जॉर्ब्स लेस हीट, और यू कैन आल्सो टेल इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स दैट.
Reflects, yes ma'am.
Okay. Next, after that, who is that? Vineet. Vineet, are you there? No. Vanchika. Sanskar.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanskar, can you answer the next part? Why 2 thin sweaters feel warmer than 1 thick sweater? Why?
मैम क्योंकि उसमें वो ज्यादा मोटा रहता है और उसमें हीट, उसमें जो कोल्ड ठंडी हवा है वो अंदर नहीं आती।
ज्यादा गर्म क्यों रहते? दैट इज ओनली द क्वेश्चन ना।
हाँ वही तो हुआ ना, वो मोटा रहता है डबल स्वेटर।
मोटा रहने से क्या हो
और
जाता है?
उसमें जो वो होता है ना, छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं
हाँ
जिससे
हाँ।
हल्का हल्का हवा आता है, वो ब्लॉक हो जाता है।
That means the heat is trapped between the air pockets of the two sweater. That's why it will be getting more hot. Okay, good. Next, stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait. Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Give him the chance. Question number C, that it is explain why. They explain why. In that you can see stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. If he is not telling, I will give you the chance.
I don't know.
Okay, so who raised the hand? Who wants to tell the answer? Somebody raised the hand. Somebody told that I want to tell the answer.
Ma'am, I said.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, because steel is the conductor of heat and plastic is insulator. And ma'am, if we will hold the stain, if the pans will not, if the ma'am
Plastic कहाँ बेटा? मैं
sorry ma'am, I read wrong. Sorry ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody?
May I?
Yes.
Ma'am, I.
Yeah, tell.
मैम क्योंकि जब स्टील गर्म हो जाता है तो उसको पकड़ने के लिए कुछ अपने को बेड कंडक्टर चाहिए रहता है हीट का, इसलिए उसमें वो लगा रहता है, कॉपर का रहता है वो।
My God, no. Copper is a metal. It is a conductor of heat. वो bottom में लगा रहता है, not on the handles. Bottom, base.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, because conductor of heat, then stainless steel, hence cooking of food become faster.
तो वो अभी मैंने बोल भी दिया आपको, हिंट में बोल भी दिया, बिकॉज स्टेनलेस स्टील की कंपैरिजन में कॉपर जो रहेगा वो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा।
मैम बिकॉज copper is better conductor of heat than stainless steel.
Copper is a better conductor of heat than stainless steel. Okay. After now this now अब यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन को मैं स्टॉप कर रही हूँ because I said last.
Ma'am, actually I read question number 6. Plastic handles.
Okay. So what it is now, I will stop this. I will give you the forms link. Okay. Google form link. Otherwise, that part will be left. Not Kahoot, not. I will be just giving you the link. Okay. Wait. Let me just open that, and I will give you the link.
Which chapter?
Chemical effects. I told you in my every class you will get 10 questions of particular that thing. Yes, Chetna, what happened? Tell. Maulik, Chetna, what you want to tell?
Ma'am, it's my mistake.
Maulik, what you want to tell, beta?
Ma'am, nothing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
then before the option is not coming and I cannot unmute myself.
Maybe network issue, something like that. That's why. आप उसको refresh करके किया करो ना फिर से. If you are having the something issue like that, refresh करके किया करो. It will be solved.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me open that Google Play form link and I'll just send you. Okay. One second.
Ma'am, please give the link.
Yes, wait. 1 second. Let me share the link with you. Just 1 second. Let me open that drive. I have not the test. I have not opened that. That's why it was not there. It's class 7, isn't that? Wait. It is heat, na? Okay. 1 second, na beta. Just it is taking time for to load. Just 1 second. While I'm sending.
Ma'am, 1 second over.
चलो 2 मिनट रुक जाओ बेटा 2 मिनट. हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है. Only 9
only
MCQs.
10 minutes are left.
9 MCQs are there. 9 MCQs are there. If you will take time, it will be only 1 minutes, not more than that. Okay. हो गया. So let me. I have sent it all. Just check it. I am sending it 2 times. Got it? Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So start entering.
मैम इसमें आईडी में एडमिशन आईडी डालनी है या फिर
हाँ बस
स्टूडेंट आईडी?
आप लोग को वो जो मिला है ना, आप आंसर शीट्स में लिखते हो वही है बस.
मैम ये तो उस दिन जैसा ही है.
उस दिन जैसा सेम है.
हाँ.
मैंने आपका लिया है क्या टेस्ट गूगल फॉर्म में? नहीं लिया है शायद.
लियो
जो
मैम.
एक बार लिए थे आपने ये सेम है.
यस मैम.
मैं क्वेश्चन का भी डिफरेंस नहीं है, पूरा सेम है.
मुझे लगा ये वाला पार्ट मैंने दिया नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने रिपीट कर दिया इसको.
नो मैम, यू हैव टेकन
कोई बात नहीं, आज दे दो
ऑल
इसको.
आंसर.
आज इसको दे दो. आई विल चेंज द क्वेश्चन फॉर द नेक्स्ट.
इसमें 15 क्वेश्चन थे, इसमें 9 है.
कोई बात नहीं, आज जिसको दे दो. देन आई विल गिव द नेक्स्ट वन. ओके
मैम लिंक फॉरवर्ड से भेज दो ना मैम, मैं लॉग आउट हो गया था.
चैट में है ना बेटा?
मैम लॉग आउट हो गया था मैं.
हाँ 1 मिनट. पाश ने भी रिसेंड किया है. ओके आई विल जस्ट चेंज इट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. मुझे लगा कि ये नहीं हुआ है करके. Let me try write it. It is over. Otherwise, I will be just.
मैम अभी सॉल्व करना है कि नहीं करना है?
करो 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 करो. It's not like that. ये repeated है तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको पूरा 100% याद होगा. अभी भी देखो स्कोर किसी का 4 है.
मैम इसमें 9 क्वेश्चंस है लेकिन उसमें 10 पॉइंट्स का दिखा रहा है.
क्योंकि लास्ट वाले को क्वेश्चन को मैंने 2 मार्क्स का रखा है, जो आपका जो मैथ्स द फॉलोइंग है.
यस मैम.
आप लोग बोल रहे हो रिपीटेड है. देन आल्सो सम 2 people are getting 4. One has
Some
got 7.
questions are repeated but some are not.
Then why it is 4 4 7?
मैम लास्ट का एक क्वेश्चन अलग है बस.
वो भी बेटा अगर आपको अगर 100% पता तो यू शुड स्कोर हाई है ना.
मैम ये सबमिशन आईडी में क्या डालना है?
Put your ID.
मैम मैं ऊपर 1801053
डाल दो. Even if you are writing do not change, then also it will be what accepting. If you are writing do not change, one word is written beside that do not change, then also it will be accepting.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I leave?
The column एकदम complicated दिख रहा है.
हाँ.
मैम मैच द कॉलम एकदम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड दिख रहा है. मैम समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कौन से कहाँ शुरू हो रहा है कहाँ खत्म
देखो
हो रहा है.
one thing will be there 1 2 3 रोमन यहाँ पे 1 2 3 लिखा है. That is the first column. ABC where it is written, that is the second column.
मैम मैं कैसे किया, लास्ट का 2 ठोक देख लिया, बस खत्म.
Like if it is switch is there among A B C D
मैम मैं
E
भी
F.
ऐसे ही किया है. मैं फर्स्ट का देख लिया. फर्स्ट में उसमें पहले एफ है फिर डी है. तो जो मेरे को सही लगा वो मैं कर दिया और फुल मिल गया.
भाई रुक जा.
Ma'am, I have done the test. Can I leave the class?
Wait, let it get over.
मैम कॉलम बी में फर्स्ट स्विच लिखा है, मतलब वो नंबर में स्विच लिखा है.
Wait, let me see. Column B में switch is repeated you are telling. उसको छोड़ दो. जो repeated वाला है उसको छोड़ दो. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the time? Time नहीं हुआ अभी. The next class will same way we will do the heat revision or continue with the heat worksheet. Okay, and the Google form like this I will make a separate batch of question from this and then I will do. Okay.
मैम.
Yes.
मैम मेरा आपको सबमिट होगा क्या मैम, क्योंकि मैं सबमिट किया तो मैम कुछ हुआ है नहीं और वो
What you are telling, Vineet? I am not able to hear you because your voice is getting stuck.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please check that I have submitted the paper or not.
Wait, let me see. The name list, your name is not there, Vineet. ID you have submitted 180105007. Is it yours?
No, ma'am.
No, then your name is not there because rest all have submitted name and one is there XYZ. Who is it XYZ?
Ma'am, I have submitted, but it is मतलब मैम मैंने उसको सबमिट किया तो मैम कुछ हुआ नहीं और वो सबमिट का ऑप्शन गायब हो गया.
नेटवर्क इशू ठीक है बेटा वहां पे?
नो मैम, अभी तो फुल चल रहा है नेटवर्क.
एक काम करो ना, यू हैव टेकन द, यू हैव सबमिटेड द ना, तो मेरे को वो भेज दो,
यस मैम।
व्हाट्सएप में भेज दो।
ओके मैम।
Ma'am, time is over.
ओके, सो डन एवरीबॉडी। जिसका जिसका हो गया वो वर्ड उसमें गूगल फॉर्म में डालते जाना, आई विल बी चेकिंग फ्रॉम देयर। Okay, so total, yeah, I got 14 responses already, including me. I am having 15 participants, so I am ending the class here. Okay,
Have a
Bye,
nice day.
ma'am.
bye.
Have a
Good day,
nice day, ma'am.
good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.